What's up everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Smooth 5S AI. This is the latest smartphone gimbal from Zhiyun that packs a ton of awesome features like a modular magnetic design, AI tracking, a built-in fill light, gesture controls, intuitive button controls, solid build quality, and it all comes in a handy carrying case. All things considered, if you are looking to kick your smartphone filmmaking game up a notch, this might just be the gimbal that you're looking for. I've been using this thing behind the scenes for a few months now. The big projects that I used it for were to cover PAX West 2024 in Seattle and most recently CES 2025, so I have had this thing for a while. The results that I got with it were truly impressive every time that I used it. Not only is the stability great, but for me, it's that built-in fill light that has proven to be the most useful. Scenes that would normally be dark in my videos are now noticeably brighter. As you can see, this thing gets bright, and thanks to that magnetic design, you can even add a second additional fill light for even more brightness. This is super handy as it eliminates the need to carry around any sort of big and bulky gear. When you get the Smooth 5S AI Pro bundle, it's going to arrive in a very nice carrying case. Inside that, you'll find the gimbal itself, the AI tracking module, that second magnetic fill light, a little tripod, a few magnetic light filters to adjust the color temperature, and there's also a USB-C charging cable. When you take the gimbal out, you're instantly going to feel how big it is. It's not heavy by any means, but compared to other smartphone gimbals that fold to be pretty much pocketable, the 5S AI is on the larger side. The advantage to this though is that it does feel more comfortable in your hands since it has a very spacious grip. My favorite thing about the design is that it has magnetic attachment points around the phone grip. If you want to use the AI tracking features, that second fill light, or both at the same time, just snap them onto the phone grip and you're ready to rock. Worth noting is that this gimbal does require balancing and you will need to adjust that depending on the accessories that you're using. Of course, these accessories also have an impact on battery life. With the AI tracker and the built-in fill light, you're going to get about 7 hours of runtime. With both fill lights and the tracker, maybe around 3 to 4 hours. Without any accessories at all, you'll get almost a full day out of it. During the larger convention shoots that I did, it more than held up and got me through the day. The good thing is that you can use a portable battery to keep it powered up if you do need to. That said, the magnetic AI tracker is a very useful add-on that you're probably going to be using all of the time. This tracker allows you to use gesture controls to control the gimbal and track subjects hands-free. You can stop recording, set up custom frame tracking, and much more just by using your hands. It is very responsive, and once locked onto a subject, it does not lose sight. What's nice is that there's no need to use an app or anything like that. Zhiyun does have a ZY Cami app for this gimbal, which offers customization options, filters, and editing tools, so it's there if you want it, but personally, I have not had a need to use it. Throughout my time with this gimbal, I've been using it with the native camera app on my iPhone, and the results have been amazing every time. The footage that you're seeing here was shot using my iPhone 16 Pro Max paired with the Smooth 5S AI gimbal. The handling of this thing when you're filming is also excellent. You can easily switch between horizontal and vertical shooting and vice versa just by rotating the gimbal. You also have the option to change the orientation of the phone grip before mounting your device. When rotating the gimbal, there is a little bit of a rhythm to mastering this motion, but once you get the hang of it, it does start to become second nature. All in all, let's be real, gimbals are not all that exciting anymore. There are so many out there that do their job very well, and the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is no exception to that. However, the unique features of the 5S AI make it stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a content creator, a mobile filmmaker, or someone looking to easily add AI tracking and some lighting to their content, the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is a fantastic gimbal. It keeps up with my grueling workload just fine, and I know it's not going to be long before this thing finds its way back into my travel bag again. So that's about all that I got, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!